Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. I just blind bought $300 worth of fragrances. Let's unbox them and let's see if I wasted my money. So I got these fragrances. I got these 3 from the TikTok shop, and I got these 2 from Arbella Fragrance, I believe it is called. So shout out to them. I think it's like an individual guy running his own discounter company, and the shipping was pretty quick, so I'm happy with it. 5 really popular TikTok fragrances. Let's do our real first impressions. No line for commission like other creators. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna try to cut the video as least as possible to just be as transparent and honest as possible. So without further ado, let's start with Office for Men by Jeremy Fragrance. Shout out to this guy on TikTok who told me to get it because it was on a good deal. I believe I paid less than $90, maybe it was like $80 for this one, which is a good deal compared to the previous prices that Jeremy boosted his colognes. Man, this guy Jeremy, he got a little bit greedy. He thought he can charge like $200, $300 plus for a fragrance, but maybe it's worth $200. Maybe it's worth that niche price point. Let's unbox it and let's see if it's actually worth the TikTok hype. Office for Men by Jeremy Fragrance and Alberto Marias. Let's try it out, man. Let's see if it's worth the 80 bucks. Okay, you know what? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I was expecting this to be like really polarizing, you know, really masculine, maybe having some dark notes in there, but right off the bat, it smells almost like Creed Bences, which makes sense because he always hypes that one up to be like the best men's cologne of all time. So it makes sense that he would copy that fragrance with his own cologne. Just a really fresh lemon citrusy vibe, man. Maybe a little bit of orange in there. It's just full of citruses, a little bit of smoke in there. It does smell masculine, but not like the oud, woody masculine. More of the fresh and clean out the shower masculine, which I'm not complaining about. It's definitely like an easy to wear everyday fragrance, signature scent potential. It makes sense why it's called Office, because like this smells like you just want to smell nice all day and not offend anyone. Pretty safe to pull out any occasion, so I like it so far. Is it worth the $200 that Jeremy Fragrance was charging? Absolutely not. Is it worth the 80 bucks? Probably not, when I can smell like this for 60 with Game of Spades High Roller, when I can smell better than this with a Clubbed in Wet Intense Man for $26. So I don't know, I was expecting a little bit more, but it's just a safe, clean, mass appealing cologne. Not bad, like a solid 7 out of 10. I give it its props. I'm probably gonna be wearing it a lot. I have to test it out in the gym, but it's just a safe freshie, man. What else can I say? I like it, a 7 out of 10, but I was definitely expecting a little bit more. Now let's go with one from the TikTok shop. This one is Kalage Titan, which I don't know why the box is so big, so wide, but apparently this is the clone of Stronger With You Parfum, so let's check it out. How do I open this big box? Did you guys see this, bro? It's already falling apart. It's supposed to be right here in place, but the bottle looks a little bit boring. It looks a little bit cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but that doesn't matter. The point is, does it smell good, and is it a good clone of Stronger With You Parfum? Let's check it out. Okay, good atomizer. Okay, definitely smells like Stronger With You, the Parfum version. I'm not the biggest fan of the new Parfum version. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of the other Stronger With Yous. I only like the Intensely one, but I mean, I can see the resemblance. It smells dark, a little bit incensey, a little bit like a fall candle. I always use this analogy. You guys might be tired of it, but like if you just blow out a candle and you get that darkness in the air full of spices, man, this is what this one smells like. Perfect for a masculine guy who is trying to go out during the fall and winter. It feels a little bit cozy, you know. I feel like it's gonna project a lot. Obviously I haven't tried it out, but this type of smell projects a lot, especially in the cold. It is made to combat the cold weather, and I mean, it's gonna do what it's gonna do, man. I can see the potential for sure. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like Afna 9 PM Elixir, Lattafa Cambra Ducan, which I do like. I do like the Lattafa Cambra Ducan. It's my favorite Lattafa Cambra from the 3, and so I give it its props, man. Definitely not headache inducing. I think I tried the Stronger With You and it kind of gave me a headache, so it's a little bit toned down with the strength, which you guys might not be a fan of, but for me, that's a little bit of a plus, you know, a little bit of an improvement. This one was around $40, $45, so definitely on the expensive side of colognes. Like a solid 6.5 out of 10. Am I gonna wear it a lot? Probably not. I got so many colognes to try out. I got so many better masculine winter fragrances, but I'll give it a try or two and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it in the future. Now this one I'm excited for. I'm getting into the brand of Raycon, and I heard that this one is a clone of like the Louis Vuitton Afternoon Swim mixed with some other Louis Vuitton, so let's see if that's true. I'm talking about Raycon Adonis Icorus. What type of name is that, man? Adonis Icorus. Never heard the Icarus part, and I've heard the Adonis from the Hamza self-improvement videos. If you guys know, you know, man. If you guys know, you know. But yeah, let's unbox the Adonis. Let's see how it looks. This one was around, I believe, $35, so not too bad, not too expensive. Here we have it, man. Same bottle as the Tropical Vibe, but this one is orange and it is called Adonis. So let's see how it smells. I sprayed Office for Men on the hand. I sprayed the, what was this one called? Titan on this one. So let's spray on the inside of my elbow, Adonis. Really citrusy for sure. Really citrusy, orange, lemon, bergamot, bro. The main citruses that are in every single fragrance. It does smell pretty nice. I do get a resemblance to Afternoon Swim, and I saw this one TikToker say that it reminded him of like Louis Vuitton Symphony 2, which maybe I get a little bit of similarity just because of the fruitiness, but mainly Afternoon Swim, which is the Louis Vuitton that smells like oranges. Maybe a little bit of a younger, more youthful version of Terre d'Hermes, which smells like orange and woods. And so maybe you remove the woods from Terre d'Hermes and you just add more oranges. It literally smells like orange juice that you drink in the morning for breakfast. I'm more of a fan of coffee in the morning, so I'm gonna go with Mancera Amore Cafe. But if you guys are an orange juice type of person, then Raycon Adonis is gonna be the one for you. Really vibrant for the summer, for the spring. We are approaching the winter right now. We're in the middle of fall, so maybe not the best purchase for right now. But if you want to stock up for the summer, for the spring, or you want to gift it to someone for, you know, all year round, then this one is a good option. Just an easy to wear freshie, man. I like it. Like a solid 7.5 out of 10. I feel like this one is just so easy to wear that no one's gonna hate it, and it makes a good all year round, like a good signature scent or a good first fragrance overall. Pretty good. 7.5 out of 10 for Raycon Adonis Icarus. Now this next one I'm so excited for because I've been seeing it everywhere on TikTok. And which one am I talking about? I'm talking about Michael Malou Ocean Noir. I don't know how you pronounce his name, but the fragrance is called Ocean Noir. I believe this is a niche fragrance for only $90. So hopefully it's worth the hype, man, because you guys have been hyping this one up so much. Like, I cannot go on fragrance TikTok without seeing this one every now and then. I swear everyone has it already and I'm the last one. I'm late to the party, but let's see. Ooh, it looks beautiful, bro. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love this type of color, this type of bottle. It looks like the ocean for sure. Beautiful dark blue fragrance. I feel like I'm gonna like this one, man. I feel like this one's my type. If you guys don't know, I do like my freshies more than my winter fragrances, so I'm excited for this one. This one better not disappoint, man. Let's see. I see the hype. I see the hype. I see it, bro. I see it. Oh, bro, it smells so good. It smells so good. Literally just the ocean smells like a blue classic fragrance, but there's something about it that just makes it like so good. Like, it smells like a handsome young man just clean out the shower, and it feels like you're gonna get compliments, bro. Like, it's not a boring freshie, but it's like a sexy, attractive freshie, if you know what I mean. Like, there's boring freshies, there's Nautica Voyage, and then there's Ocean Noir, you know, like Nautica Voyage down here, Ocean Noir all the way up here. Okay, this is the best way to describe it, because you know, you guys know it's hard to describe smells. The best way to describe this smell is when you're in the store and you smell like a random whiff of just a nice smell, and you notice it's just a random guy, but it doesn't smell like anything you've smelled before. You know, it doesn't, like, sometimes sometimes I can recognize smells, you know, I'm like, yo, that's Versace Eros, yo, that guy's wearing Aqua di Gio. But sometimes people smell so good that I've never smelled it before, and I don't want to go up to ask them because it's kind of embarrassing, you know. So that is what this one smells like. It smells like you meet someone random in public and they just smell too good that you've never smelled that smell before. I know I've had that a few times. It's like, I'm the fragrance collector. How do you smell better than I do? Like, what fragrance are you wearing? Well, I guess some of them were wearing Ocean Noir because this is one of those that just smells too good. Maybe I'm hyping it up a little too much, man. Don't listen to me, but I like it. I'm a big fan. Maybe it's just me because I do like my freshies. Like I said, I do like them more than my winter dark dense heavy cologne. So I feel like this one's just gonna be one for me that I wear a lot, similar to like a Parfums de Marly Percival or like a by Kilian Blue Moon. Like, maybe it's not for everyone, but for me, one of my favorites. I don't want to hype it up too much. Like I said, I still gotta take it to the gym, see how it performs, see how, you know, it lasts, see how the scent bubble is, the scent trail, see how I actually like the smell when I'm sweating. So for right now, first impressions, Ocean Noir by Michael Malou, like an 8.5, maybe a 9 out of 10. I do like it, I do enjoy it. Hopefully it doesn't let me down in the future, but for right now, I think this is gonna be the best one from the entire video. And the last one, I'll be honest, I'm not too excited because it is from Lattafa. Lattafa, 50-50 on them. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's horrible. But this one is called Lattafa Teriaq Intense. Not Lattafa Teriaq, bro, from Mr. Beast. Lattafa Teriaq. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I honestly don't care, bro. I'm gonna just see if it smells good. Another one that's been hyped up on TikTok for so long, and I just haven't picked it up. I don't think this one's a clone of anything. I'm not sure. I believe like it's its own creation, but they could be lying, but I'll be the judge of that. Let's see the beautiful bottle. How do I open this? What the heck? Here we go. Whoa, not beautiful at all, man. What is this ugly bottle? It does have a little snake on the top, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool design, if you ask me. But the bottle itself does not look pleasing at all. I don't want to put this in my collection. But let's see how it smells, man. Last fragrance of the video. Let's end it off with a bang. Screw it, man. I'm gonna use a tester strip. I literally got nowhere else to spray. Let's see how it smells. I don't know, man. I get a resemblance to Lattafa Cambra. I do get right away vanilla. It like vanilla has a little bit of fruitiness, maybe a little bit of plum in there. Some cinnamon, some tonka bean, bro. I don't know. It smells good. It smells pleasing, but I can feel it already, man. This is gonna be one of those headache-inducing fragrances that I just cannot handle because of how intense it is, like the name says. Teriaq Intense, full of spices, full of like, honestly, cheap chemicals. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Cheap chemicals. I don't know. I don't want to be a hater. I don't want to be a hater, man. But I feel like this one's not gonna impress me that much. I'm gonna be honest. Much like a classic Cologne winter fragrance, man. Vanilla in there, fruitiness, cinnamon, the spices, almost incense-y, like Lattafa Cambra Kawa again, the original Cambra. I don't need this in my collection. I'm gonna say that I don't need this in my collection. When I got Initio Blessed Baraka, I got Serchaf Nexus, I got designers like Jean Gaultier Le Mille Parfum, Hugo Boss Barreau d'Elixir. And if you want to talk about winter clones, I got Lattafa Cambra Ducan and Afna 9 PM Elixir. So I don't know, maybe I'm being a little bit of a hater. I don't care, man. Lattafa Teriaq Intense, not the biggest fan, not too impressed, like a 4.5 out of 10. I feel like I'm just not gonna like this in my collection. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. It's gonna give me a little bit of headache. So here we go, man. 5 different fragrances that are all hyped up on the TikTok shop. Which one of these do you think you would enjoy the most? Or do you own any of these, man? Which one do you like the most? Let's rank them from best to worst. Obviously, best one, Ocean Noir. Second best gotta be Raycon Adonis. Third best gotta be Office for Men. Then we got Titan by Khadlaj, and in last place we got the Lattafa, which is Teriaq Intense. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. All of these fragrances are available to sample on my fragrance sampling store, smellbettersamples.com. The link is in the description. You can follow me on TikTok too. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.